All right, this tool is only 25 bucks from LN Engineering, so definitely gonna use that to put on our front seal here. It is literally as easy as putting it on and tightening the bolt all the way down. And once the bolt is all the way tight, it will be at the perfect depth. All right, I bottomed out. Just remove it. All right, so just barely countersunk a little bit from the groove and perfectly even all the way around.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value in the information shared, please take a moment to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback not only encourages us, but also helps others discover content that can make a difference. Remember, every like and comment counts in building a community where we can all learn and grow together. Looking forward to seeing you soon.